everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Real English with Arash. Okay. Today, one of you asked me the difference between made of and made from. Okay, and to be honest, I wasn't 100% sure uh, at the time, and so I gave a quick answer. Okay, and after the class I looked it up, and now I can explain it properly. Okay, let's go over the difference together. It's actually quite simple. Okay, ready? Let's dive into the difference. Okay, so uh, so we want to know what does made of mean and what does made from mean. Okay, so made of mean it is used when material stays the same and you can still see it in the final product. Okay, so material is still visible and unchanged. For example, the table is made of wood, so you can see the wood. Okay, uh, but made from, it is used when material changes and you can't see it anymore in the final product. Okay, material is transformed, changed into something new. Okay, for example, paper is made from trees. Okay, but trees do not look like paper anymore. Okay, so let's see more example. It can make it um, touchable, tangible for you. So for made of, we can say this bracelet is made of silver. Her glasses are made of plastic. The chair is made of wood. The statue is made of bronze. So for all of these, bracelet, you can see silver in bracelet. You can see plastic in glasses. You can see wood in chair. You can see bronze in statue. So we use made of. Okay. But for made from, look at the example. Wine is made from grapes. Okay. Cheese is made from milk. Bread is made from flour and water. Paper is made from wood pulp. Okay, so you cannot see grapes in wine. Okay, you cannot see milk in cheese. You cannot see flour and water in bread, although it's made from them. The ingredients are flour and water, but you can't see them, and etc. Okay, so we have made of and made from. Okay, so in conclusion, made of, material stays the same. Made from, material changes. Okay, I hope it was useful. Please don't forget to share and watch more videos from my YouTube channel. See you next time.